Tuesday morning, and the wet weather continued with the odd shower as we made our way to RAC Nature Camp in Carter's Road, Margaret River. We'd arrived a little early, so we went for a walk in the forest behind the camp to take it all in. It was absolutely wonderful. RAC Margaret River Campground is located within the RAC National Park, formerly Bramley National Park. We've stayed here a few times before and we like it. In fact, our very first camping trip was during COVID in 2020 and we decided to try out an RAC campground. Because this place is pretty popular, you might get mountain bike groups or school camp groups passing through the campground, but they generally keep to themselves, and the camp kitchen area and the undercover area called the mill is flaming huge. So there's plenty of room for everyone, no problem. The new shower block is much bigger than the old one, and again, more than enough for everyone. Although you can choose from a variety of accommodation options, including eco-lodges, cabins, glamping tents, powered camping, and caravan sites and dorms, we are mainly interested here in car-based camping, mainly camper vans, caravans, and camper trailers. All sites are located on hard ground, and each spacious powered campsite includes 240 volt, 15 amp power. RAC Margaret River Nature Park is located in a beautiful, quiet location about 2 kilometres from the town centre of Margaret River. Apart from the reception kiosk area, which offers a small range of grocery items such as ice creams, cold drinks and snacks, the park includes a shared amenities block, a laundry, a huge camp kitchen with kettle, toaster, cooktop, oven, fridge and microwave, plus camp barbecue facilities and fire pits. You can also hire bikes, play a game of table tennis, keep warm by the fire or simply relax. There are also bushwalking trails surrounding the park, and well worth the time and effort to explore the many things on offer. Prices vary for all accommodation options, and all the information you'll need is on their website, and it's pretty easy to navigate. There is also free Wi-Fi available, and it's pretty good. When we were there, a school group from Albany arrived with about 40 teenagers on 2 buses with bikes and trailers. You can bet every single one of those kids had a mobile, but we still got a great Wi-Fi signal. So thumbs up RAC, well done. At the back of the campground, there's plenty of water in the streams that flow down into the Margaret River. There's a lovely walk where you can sit and listen to the water bubbling by. There's also the magnificent carry, marry and jarrah trees, native bushes and wild ferns that create a beautiful backdrop to the camp and one of the main reasons we come here. Not to mention the wildflowers in spring, which are simply delightful in this part of the world. We always spend a lot of time exploring the many walk trails around the camp, and you'll find the scenery changes enormously from season to season. Winters down here, of course, can be cold and wet, but it's our favourite time of the year to go camping, so we absolutely love it. On this trip, we saw white-tailed cockatoos, a pair of bright red rosellas, many pink and greys, hawks, blue wrens, robins, 28s, and of course magpies and ravens. Thank you for watching today, and we hope to see you soon in a new video.